This video is about 5 ways to stay positive when retaining an attorney to save your home from mortgage foreclosure. My name is Leonard Boyer, and my channel is Lenny the Lawyer Live, and we're coming to you today from Clifton, New Jersey. If you like this video, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below and hit the top of the bell icon so you'll be notified when future videos are made. Now let's get started. First of all, when you come to Boyer Coffy, LLC, you're not alone. You have a partner in this case. I am here as a licensed attorney with 37 years of experience to help you save your home. If you're honest with me and you follow my advice, there's absolutely no reason why we will not be successful in saving your home. So first of all, the first reason to stay positive is you're not in this matter alone. Don't talk to people that are not licensed mortgage foreclosure defense and bankruptcy attorneys. They're going to fill your head with misinformation. Stay focused on me and what I tell you. The second reason to stay positive is you have an experienced attorney and counselor at law that's fighting just as hard as you are to save your home. And in the law firm of Boyer Coffy, LLC, we provide aggressive service that's affordable and effective. Now, nobody can guarantee the results of any mortgage foreclosure. However, what I can guarantee is that if you're completely open and honest with me and you do your part financially, this will give you the best possible chance of saving your home. So remember, you have a partner in this. You have to trust your partner, just as I have to trust you to be honest with me. And if we work together, there's a high chance that we'll be successful together. Remember, in litigation, there are no guarantees, except there are no guarantees. But by staying positive, you'll have the right mindset, and having the right mindset is very important. The third reason to stay positive is when you work with Boyer Coffy, LLC, you're always a name. You're never a file number. All these big, elaborate firms or other low-budget, mass-market foreclosure defense mills, you're just a file number. You're not a name. When you work with my firm, Boyer Coffy, LLC, you have my business cell phone number, so you can reach me. And if something comes up, if you get something in the mail that you're concerned with, you can contact me immediately and I can alleviate your concerns. So that's another reason to stay positive. A fourth reason to stay positive is that I want you to know that it's just as important to me to save your home as it is for you. I don't like to lose. I don't like the banks. They have no heart. I have heart and compassion. I want to see you stay in your home. I want to be able to make a meaningful difference in your life. I want to turn your financial nightmare into a success. You worked hard to get your home and you want to keep it. And I'm going to work hard to help you keep your home. So let's stay positive throughout this whole process. Now, we're going to probably do, in the vast majority of cases, is file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and we're going to seek to have you admitted to the Bankruptcy Court's mortgage modification program. This way, your chances of having success are much greater. Why? Because in the state court system, there is no equivalent to the bankruptcy's DMM portal. But right now, all you have to know about that is all your documents are submitted to the lender. They're time-stamped. And if the lender tries to play any games or tries to say they lost documents, they're not going to be able to get away with it because everything goes through the portal and it's time stamped. Now, mortgage loan modification through the bankruptcy court's process is much more successful as a general rule than going through any state court system. Number one, the mortgage lender cannot just lose your paperwork. And once you file the bankruptcy, you have the docket number. Automatically, the automatic stay goes into effect, and any lawsuits against you have to cease. That's another reason to be positive. That's one less thing to worry about. You're going to be making a monthly payment to the bankruptcy trustee and a payment outside the plan to your mortgage company, which they will accept. Now, interest rates are rising, so it's very important that you come in and see us right away so we can get the process started. And by having an attorney partner in your case and not having to go it alone, I've seen just about everything. So I know how to present your case to the court and to the lender in the best possible light. Now, nobody can guarantee you'll be approved for a loan modification, but if you are, you will make 3 to 6 trial payments to the mortgage lender. If you're approved for a permanent loan modification, you will receive, in all likelihood, a 40-year mortgage at whatever the prevailing interest rates are at that time. And right now, interest rates are starting to tick up and everything else is getting more expensive. So right now is the perfect time to get your bankruptcy started because there's going to be a flood of evictions for people that are renting, and you don't want to have to deal with that. Plus, the courts are already backed up. So, by retaining an experienced mortgage foreclosure defense and bankruptcy law firm like Boyer Coffy, LLC, if you're in the states of New York or New Jersey, you will have the best possible chance of getting a mortgage loan because we've been doing this for a long time. Nobody is stating that any attorney is better or worse than any other attorney. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying I'm going to give you the best possible chance of being successful, obtaining a mortgage loan modification, and stopping the foreclosure, but I need you to do your part. I've saved a lot of homes over the past several years for my clients, and there's a good possibility that I can do the same for you. But nobody can guarantee that past performance is any guarantee of future results. What you need to know is by staying positive, by knowing you have my business cell phone number, so that anything you get in the mail that scares you, you can call me right away or email me. That should give you a certain level of comfort. So in summary, the 5 reasons to stay positive when retaining Boyer Coffy, LLC to represent you in saving your home from foreclosure and obtaining a loan modification are: number 1, you're not in this alone. You have someone to talk to all the time. Number 2, you have an experienced law firm on your side fighting for you and putting us between the bank, the lender, and yourself. Number 3, the third reason to be positive, you have a law firm to whom it's equally important as a matter of principle to save your home for you if it can be saved, as it is for you to save that home. We don't want to see anything happen to your family. So you know that it's just as important to us as it is to you. And at Boyer Coffy, LLC, the 4th reason is you're always a person. You're never a file name. Unlike a lot of firms you will have my business cell phone number. So you can call me anytime that you have a problem or you see something in the mail that scares you. And the fifth reason to be positive is there's a high degree of success when people obtain mortgage loans through the Bankruptcy Court's mortgage modification program. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If there are any questions or you have any concerns that haven't been addressed in this video, please leave them below in the comments or email me directly. Once again, this is Leonard Boyer, the lawyer, live, coming to you from Clifton, New Jersey. And I look forward to seeing you in person in our next video. Thank you.